interesting.
Yeah.
That's what those little
It's a
brass things in the walls are. So
I was
you
trying to
can
figure
screw the
out.
vacuum in.
wow.
So this is the big vacuum, and you can vacuum in wherever those brass.
Attachment they
Yeah.
got, yeah. Remember Morgan's house?
Yeah,
had
it
that?
says
Yeah, I
something
know.
here. Stationary cleaner.
Yeah, like a vacuum, but like it's for other floors. It connects the line. I think. I
But
don't know.
what was it though? Like,
Yeah, you-
look at that. You like fire it up, man. It's all. It looks like it takes a flame though. How can that be?
Probably to clean out the dust.
Wow. What a neat thing, man. Belongs in the Smithsonian, you know?